I'm Phoenix Noy. I'm a Year 11 student at the industry school Sunshine Coast, and I'm doing a Cert 3 in Engineering traineeship with Radar Targetry.
We were seeing that education wasn't really providing the opportunities or pathways for young people when they graduated from high school or even university, and saw that real disconnect between what industry, and we're hearing from industry, needed in terms of the talent that was coming into their businesses, and then what education could provide. And so we were seeing a significant gap. So essentially at its core, our intention was to put 60 young people through work integrated learning placements. Phoenix is one in particular that's been an incredible success in this program.
My traineeship with Radar, I think it lays a really good groundwork for my future and where I want to see myself in, say, 5-10 years. Maybe by the time I'm 22, a fully graduated mechatronics engineer, hopefully still working with Radar.
Phoenix demonstrated a lot of admirable skills in his time through his initial 8-week block with us. After the end of that, we decided to keep him on to complete his Cert 4 in Eng traineeship.
When a young person gets a position at a company like Radar, the probability of them being able to go on and fulfill their potential increases significantly. So the more times that we can do that across our entire ecosystem, the happier we are.
This is just a really good example of how a whole group of collaborators and stakeholders within this region have had to work together to make this whole thing come to fruition.
So the MEF, our job is to connect and enable. When the opportunity came up to connect everybody together, that's exactly what we did, and we don't always know exactly what the outcome's going to be when we make those connections. Obviously very fortunate in this case that, that Phoenix got a position here at Radar.
Now that we've got this growing industry on the Sunshine Coast in terms of advanced manufacturing and autonomous technology, this particular pathway is unique in that we haven't had that pathway accessed before by a young person at our school. So we're kind of excited that Phoenix has got an opportunity to branch into a territory that is uncharted for us.
I found Growy's Talent Accelerate program really good. You actually go on site visits to different manufacturing companies around the coast, and you actually do sit-down interviews and you're guaranteed work experience with them. They do a whole matching process and you're matched with the company that best fits your personality.
We wouldn't have found Phoenix without the talent matching process. We were pretty clear about what we wanted in a young person to join our business, and Phoenix came in and he kicked all the goals. He ticked all the boxes.
There is no employment agency that does this at the moment. There's no education provider that supports this. I actually think it's a real groundbreaking model for an opportunity to really change the face of the way an industry acquires talent, trains talent, onboards talent in the future. And I think this is why this case study is so powerful, is because the social capital that exists within all the stakeholders to make this outcome a success is really deep within this region. There's a lot of trust, a lot of reciprocity that exists within this community and within all the stakeholders that made this so successful. And I think it's really important to be thinking about how we drive financial capital, human capital and social capital within our regions and within our sectors.